This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to design a fascinator for chief bridesmaid for wedding. I'm going to use my printed paper mats to design it because I use printed paper mats to mold the fascinator. I'm going to use my accessories. I'm going to use my rose, my flower rose. I'm going to use my feather. If there's any need, I can put my brooch. Then I'm going to use my bias to cover the back. Then I have my Alice band for the head. Then I have my wax candle gum to finish the work. The length is 10 while the breadth is 9.5. I have my needle and thread. You take your needle and your thread. To make this type of bow, you make it adjacently from the edge like this. There's the first edge, you do the second edge, you overlap it together, then take it and fold it like this. Take your needle and thread and you run the stitches and run the stitches again to the end. Then draw it together. Secure it. Take your scissors and cut the left over here, and that is the first one. We are making the second one, the two bow. Then join it together with your needle. And form pull like this. Then take your fascinator cup, tack it on it. Then cut the thread off and use your hands to tack the thread and cut it off. The stick under it, I don't want the ball to be too long, and cut it, reduce the plier. You can use your scissors to cut it off because it's very strong. Then take the two like this, tack it together, then place it on it and tack it. Then now we can take our rose and take your flower rose at the middle. Put your bias at the back. Put gum round. Allow the gum to dry. Then put it here to gum the naked place. Yeah. Take the gum. Fold it. And gum it. In the Alice band, place it here. Take your wax candle gum. And place it cut bias, small bias. To hold the center. You can see it. Simple bridal maids wedding fascinator. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.